Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Nutra Tea subscription. So basically when you buy tea from their website, they also have auto refill system. So if you have taken any subscription like subscribe and save option, if you have selected, so how you can cancel your subscription. So basically cancellation is very easy. You just need to visit on their official website, and on the official website there is a page like contact us page, and when you click on this page, this kind of you can say like message box is open. In this message box you need to compose an email. The email format you can also see. This kind of email you have to compose, and once you've done this thing you can take a screenshot, or you can take help from ChatGPT. ChatGPT will prepare this kind of format for you. And once your email is done, in the end of the email you need to ask a proof of cancellation. Once you're done, you need to send this email, or you need to fill this email at their email. You can select this message box over here. You can see your message. Okay, in this box you need to paste this message, and you need to provide your name, your last name, and your email address, and subject, I want to cancel my subscription. So once you're done, you need to simply send the click on send button, and once they receive your email they will get in touch very soon, or they will provide you confirmation email. Okay, but make sure before cancellation you should keep this thing in your mind. The cancellation request should submit before 14 days of next billing cycle. Okay, and you can also contact with the customer support team by using their dialing number. Their dialing number is also available on their contact us page. You can also dial their phone number. Okay, you can, once you connected, you can tell them that you wish to cancel your subscription, and they will cancel your subscription. So this is the only way by which you can cancel your Nutra Tea subscription. Now if you have any other queries, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.